Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.3% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices were little changed, giving up some of the gains from the previous sessions, as traders awaited clarity on the Federal Reserve's plans for rate hikes to gauge the impact on the economy and fuel demand. The Australian and New Zealand dollars held near multi-week highs amid hopes for a rebound in China's reopening economy, while breaks of major chart levels drew bids from momentum funds. Another one of Sam Bankman-Fried's former confidants and roommates is said to be engaging with the US Attorney's Office with the hope of getting a plea agreement. Nishad Singh, FTX's former director of engineering and a housemate of Bankman-Fried, is said to have met with prosecutors in a proffer session.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's coincident index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Italy's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.